Hey guys, Jared for Oneupreviewz, and we got another pickup for you guys today, and it is the Offspring community member Converse Low. Before we get into the review, like always guys, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, so you just keep up to date with all our latest videos and reviews. With that said, let's get into the review. Now, this is, to my knowledge, the second drop or the second collaboration that Offspring have done with Converses, and they have even shouted about it on the box. You can blatantly see it says Offspring community member. Now, what's so special about these Converses is that they are the brainchild of 3 of the Offspring community members. So these are people who are part of the Offspring community, go up on Instagram, contributing their thoughts and ideas on the pages and attending the many drops that Offspring host at Selfridges. With all that said, let's get into the review. So we've got a pair of the All-Star Ox 70s in the OS neutral grey, and we've got this in the UK size 7.5, European 41, and there's no American sizing on here, but I would say this is a US 8.5 if I'm going by a rule of thumb. Get this opens. And here it is. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, and I don't mean any disrespect to the community members of Offspring who designed this sneaker, but I don't know what their influence was for. But I just know that this is a really cool grey mixed leather upper, but we'll get into that starting from the outsole. So with the outsole, you have typical Converse All-Star outsole. It's all rubber, similar to the Fear of God ones that we've done. It's in this off-white tone, bone color. Going along the midsole, a more sturdy midsole than the typical Chuck Taylor Ox or the high that you usually get when you purchase a pair of 70s. Now, what's really cool is on the back, similar to the Offspring patches that we done last time, where I reviewed the black lows that I was able to get. We have the same back tabs here, so you have the normal Converse All-Star right here on the right hand side, and on the left shoe you have Converse All-Star community member. And it is all about the little details. So I mentioned that the upper is all a mixed leather. It reminds me personally of the cement grey that you can find on Air Jordan 3s, Atmos Air Max 1s as well. It's that kind of grey, elephant print but without the emboss. So that's what the feel that I'm getting. This is quite an elephant tone, and you have the little details here with the little lightning bolts at the front, at the end of the tongue here. You have Offspring's logo in the last eyelets, and it comes in 2 lace colors. So you have this Offspring community one, and you have a normal white laces. Now, the lightning bolt is incorporated in the laces here, and it has the Converse logo on it. And here's a really cool thing. So on the pairs of Chuck Taylors, the 70s, it would say Converse Chuck Taylor player's name. Now, what Offspring have been able to do is change that to member's name, and that's really cool that they've managed to pull that off. The insole of all Chuck 70s is really comfy. It's more gel. It feels like a gel-based insole, but I can show you it's not. And this is part of a pack, the Offspring community pack, where we've got a pair of the high tops we're going to review soon, and so keep your eyes peeled for that. We'll just show you the similarities and why they're related. But overall, you have a nice, great looking pair of Converses. Can never go wrong with a pair of Chuck Taylors. Converse, if you're watching this, you know, send us some freebies. We're always down for Converses. We love them. Jeff does, Chris does, I do. I'm always the face of Converse. So there we go. Hopefully you get that. With that all said, I can't wait to try these on. Let's do it. This is a great fit, guys. No problems trying to get these on. There is one little thing, the insole feels a bit higher, if you know what I mean. So if you have a bit of like a depth perception, you're gonna get your feet a bit, you may feel that your feet are a bit too high, if that makes sense on point of entry. In regards to comfort, it's comfy. The midsole unit, the insole unit, sorry, of the Chuck 70s have always been better, more cushiony, and I can tell that these are really nice premium leathers as well. You can look at the little details that Offspring have pulled off here. It's a great purchase in my opinion. If you can get a pair, go get a pair. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Till next time, peace.